Plato, Aflaatoon, the architect of Western philosophy. Plato, known as Aflaatoon in several South Asian traditions, was a pivotal figure in ancient Greek philosophy. Born around 427 BCE in Athens, he was a student of Socrates and later became the teacher of Aristotle, forming a trio that laid the foundational stones of Western philosophy. Plato's works, primarily written in the form of dialogues, cover various aspects of philosophy, including ethics, politics, metaphysics, and epistemology. His famous texts such as The Republic explore ideas about justice, the ideal state, and the philosopher-king. Through the establishment of the Academy in Athens, one of the earliest institutions of higher learning, Plato significantly influenced the intellectual discourse of his time and continues to be a central figure in philosophical studies today. Plato, who was a famous Greek philosopher, said about 2,500 years ago that if any of the two classes of society, the merchant class and the military class, advance and seize the rule, the state will be destroyed. Will definitely come. His ideas are still of great importance today, and his philosophical insights have had a profound impact on politics, economics, and social structure. Business class. Plato emphasized the dangers of merchant class rule. According to him, businessmen put their own interests first. When businessmen rule, their first priority is to increase their wealth and business. In this type of governance, public interests are put on the back burner and the state system becomes based on concentration of wealth and selfishness. As a result, inequality increases, public discontent develops, and social unrest ensues. Military class. Plato also described the disadvantages of military rule. According to him, military rulers place more emphasis on warfare and the use of force. When the military class rules, an atmosphere of militancy and repression is created in the state. Such governance suppresses public liberties, destroys democracy, and violates human rights. As a result of military rule, fear spreads in the state and people lose faith in the government. Plato's ideal state. Plato in his book The Republic presented the concept of an ideal state in which the ruling class is called the philosopher-king. To them, a philosopher-king is one who makes decisions based on wisdom, morality, and justice. He neither lusts for wealth like a merchant nor for power like a soldier. The philosopher-king prioritizes public interest and promotes social justice. In the context of the present era, this prediction of Plato proves true even in today's era. In many countries where the business class or the military class is ruling, there are problems like social inequality, corruption, oppression, and popular discontent. In these circumstances, in the light of Plato's ideas, we need to understand that the main purpose of governance should be public service and the establishment of justice, not the pursuit of personal interests. Plato's words are still a beacon for us today. His insights teach us that governance requires individuals based on the principles of wisdom, justice, and public service. Unless governance is based on such principles, real progress and prosperity will not be possible in the state. If you liked my video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.